Hey, what's going on, RC drivers? Welcome back to the RC Driver Workshop, and it's a Monday. I thought I'd try something new this Monday. Hopefully do it every Monday, like a update vlog type of thing. And just show you what's kind of happening, what I have planned for the week, what you might see on RC Driver Online, our main channel, RC Driver 2, which is this channel, and just show you some behind the scenes type of stuff. So I've got a busy week planned, and it's got to include some of these FMS vehicles that you see back here. FMS is running a challenge. I guess they kind of do something every month where they kind of give back to the community, show off some of you guys' stuff. And this month it's on the FCX series. So I'm gonna have a bunch of the trucks on, probably on RC Driver Online. And from what I gather, you guys could win prizes and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I'm doing the video, to let a bunch of you know that they have this thing going on. You can win some stuff, which, hey, free stuff is always cool. The other thing is this stuff. Check this out. 2 massive fifth scales from Arma. These are pretty exciting. I'm really looking forward to these. I haven't had a fifth scale from them since the first one came out, actually, and I had to send that one back to them because it was a demo sample. So I've never had these, and I'm really looking forward to trying them out. I've got a Fresh Park ramp, so I could go jump these things off of. Gonna be very cool. I also got in a Colorado from EZRC. That's it down in the box down there. And I think it's like $150. And I'm just gonna take it to the skate park, unbox it there, show you guys how it works. And if it breaks, it breaks. If it doesn't, hey, that's pretty cool. We might find something new for $150 to have fun with. Let me see what else. I think that's actually it for, Luis Tire. They are gonna start having distribution here in the US, so that's a little announcement. I don't even know if I should say anything, but yeah, they're working on that. So I got some of their tires in, and they've got some pretty cool 124 scale tires that you guys need to see. What else? Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. What did you guys do this weekend? I actually took my kids go-karting, watched a little bit of football, and now it's just getting into the work mix here. Looking around, just trying to figure out what else I'm going to do this week, show you guys. The LT10. I think I'm going to take that over to Gallimot's Hobby Shop this week. They got the small track behind their hobby shop, and I think it's going to be perfect for that size short course truck. And that's it, guys. The CR18P Evo. I still owe you guys a video on that on the RC Driver Online channel, our first channel, and that might be a giveaway. So if you are not a subscriber there, definitely want to look, because I might be giving one of those away. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be giving one of those away there. So yeah, that'll be cool. And that's it. That's the update, guys. Let me know if you want to see this every Monday. Just give you little peeks of behind the scene. You could see some really cool cars behind me. Thanks for checking in. We'll see you guys later.